What's up, Stellar XLM holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Stellar XLM. Guys, Stellar XLM in Android is in trending, guys. A lot of people are investing in Stellar XLM. Now, guys, let me show you the price chart, the price updates of Stellar XLM, and let's do a prediction about XLM. So, guys, the right now price of XLM in the market is about 0.32115 USD dollar. That is a right now price of Stellar XLM. Furthermore, guys, if you talk about the changes occurs in the price of XLM, so negative 22.13% changes occur in the XLM and 0.415419 USD dollar. That is the highest price in the last 1 week. Guys, that is a 7 days update of a Stellar XLM, and you can see here from 7 September the price of Stellar XLM falls, and still, guys, now they are going neutral, not jump, not falls, but possibilities, guys. My prediction is going wrong about Stellar XLM. Possibilities, guys, that the price dumps more in the future, but there's a less possibilities that the price pump in the upcoming week, guys. After 1 week, there is again possibilities, maybe the price jump, but in the coming 1 week, not possibilities that the price will jump. Anyways, guys, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Stellar XLM? Please also share your opinion in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.